Packed our dreams in an old suitcase, left footprints in every new place. From Ohio roads to ocean skies, still see that spark in each other's eyes.
We didn't need a perfect plan, just a promise and a steady hand. Every mile we've been rolling on still feels like where we belong.
We're still in our honeymoon mode, chasing sunsets down every road. Heartbeats racing like day one underneath the rising sun. Every stop, every view we find feels like the first time in our minds. No matter how far we go, it's still our honeymoon mode.
Hotel lights and a midnight drive, laughing just to feel alive. Coffee stops and morning rain, every memory calls your name.
No map needed, we just go. Let the wind and good times flow. Every town, every open door makes me love you even more. We're still in our honeymoon mode, same hearts riding every road. Same old love, just deeper now. Still don't know how, but look at us now. Every sunset feels like truth. I still get lost in loving you. Every mile, every road we roll feels like we're always heading home. We don't need golden years ahead.
We're living golden now instead.
In every laugh, in every mile,
You still make forever feel like style.
we're still in our honeymoon mode.
Life's a beautiful winding road.
Hand in hand through every view. Every day feels something new, no matter where this life may go.
We're still